Hey, it's Real Nice and Molly here once again, guys. Welcome to our channel. Thanks for being here. Today's recipe is going to be zucchini and chicken, fried zucchini and chicken. This is very delicious, guys. If you've never had this, you should give it a try. So for this recipe here, today we're going to have our zucchini, scallions, onions, garlic, tomato, pepper. We have our chicken there and salt, of course. So let's get started. So we got a large zucchini here, my friends. One of our friends dropped this off. This is from their garden. You can also curry this if you like. And then you take out the insides like that. And that's it. So we're gonna clean the rest and then we'll continue. So Molly and I are almost done cutting this up here. And just wanted to show you the last piece. That's how you would cut it up, just like you would squash. So we're gonna get ready our garlic. So we have our chopped scallions and onion, our zucchini, so we are just using the meat from the drumsticks. So this is our chicken all cleaned. And we have our oil here, which is already hot. Some salt, so you just want to fry this up until all the water is gone from there, and then we'll add the other stuff here. So our chicken is done here. As you can see, all the water is gone. So it's time to add the rest of the stuff. Garlic and pepper. We're gonna add some salt now. We're also gonna add the tomato now. This is not gonna take very long to cook. Chicken is already cooked. Okay, so we're gonna cover this and let it cook. We're gonna give this a little turn here. Okay guys, so we gotta check on this again. See what's happening here. Now that's looking good. So the zucchini has to boil, and this doesn't seem like it's boiled yet, so we may have to add a little bit of water here for that to happen. So Molly's gonna add a little bit of water. There you go. So this shouldn't be much longer. Okay, check in on this again. See what's going on. Okay guys, so this looks like it's done. And that's it for our zucchini and chicken, fried zucchini and chicken. Looks delicious, doesn't it? So that's it for our fried zucchini and chicken. Please remember to like, subscribe and share. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.